Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? Not just small, but cosmically insignificant? Because when we talk about the universe, we're not just talking about a big place. We're talking about something immense, a cosmic sandbox so vast, so rich with potential, that it defies comprehension. The observable universe spans more than 93 billion light years. It contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each one packed with billions, sometimes trillions of stars. And orbiting those stars, likely even more planets than we can begin to imagine. That's not just billions or trillions. We're talking quintillions of possible worlds. Quintillions of chances for life to emerge. Life as we know it is built on a surprisingly universal set of elements. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, the building blocks of biology. And these aren't rare. They're everywhere, woven into the fabric of stars, scattered across galaxies, embedded in dust and rock. So if the ingredients for life are common and the environments are countless, then where is everybody? Because here on Earth, life isn't just surviving, it's thriving in the most extreme corners of our planet. At the bottom of the ocean, near boiling hydrothermal vents, in frozen Antarctic lakes, inside acidic hot springs, even in radioactive zones where nothing should survive. These tiny warriors, extremophiles, remind us that life is resilient, adaptable, and maybe inevitable. Which brings us to a question that's puzzled scientists for decades. If the cosmos is this full of potential, where are all the aliens? This is the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who asked the hauntingly simple question, where is everybody? If intelligent life is likely, why haven't we seen it, heard it, detected any sign of it? No radio signals, no spacecraft, no beacons, nothing. Some suggest that civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they can reach the stars, that there's a so-called great filter, a deadly barrier in the development of intelligent life. It could be nuclear war, climate catastrophe, artificial intelligence, something that wipes civilizations out before they become spacefaring. Others think we're looking the wrong way, that alien civilizations might exist on a scale of time or technology we simply can't grasp. Maybe they evolved and died millions of years ago, or maybe they communicate using methods we haven't even imagined yet, beyond radio, beyond light, something alien in every sense of the word. And then there are thinkers like physicist Brian Cox, who offer a quieter, lonelier perspective. He believes that the vast distances between stars and the unimaginable energy it would take to travel between them make contact almost impossible. In his view, Earth may be uniquely suited for life, a perfect cocktail of conditions that came together in just the right way. And that cocktail might be extraordinarily rare. Cox warns us not to assume the universe is teeming with civilizations. Instead, he suggests the silence might be telling us something true, that we are alone. But if that's true, what does it mean for us? It means we have something precious, something rare, something worth preserving. And even if we haven't found life out there yet, we're still looking. Every day, we scan the skies for signals. We launch missions to Mars, to Europa, to Titan, searching for clues. We discover new exoplanets and analyze their atmospheres for hints of biology. With the James Webb Space Telescope, we now see farther and clearer than ever before. We are on the edge of discovery. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next year, maybe a century from now. But the search continues, because the answers to the Fermi paradox aren't just about aliens. They're about us, about who we are, what we might become, and what kind of future we want to build. If we are alone in the universe, then we carry a great responsibility to protect life, to nurture it, to spread it beyond Earth's fragile shell, to become what we once hoped to find. In this immense cosmic sandbox, among infinite stars and infinite silence, we may be rare, but maybe, just maybe, that's what makes us extraordinary. Let me know if you'd like pacing notes, scene suggestions, or background music recommendations for each section.